They scan your fever and everything. Even in like a smallest airport, when I landed in Multan, it's not even a big airport. I was in Karachi, Lahore and Multan. All the airports, they have those scanners. They're scanning everybody. Even I went to a hotel, they're like disinfecting everywhere. I got on the bus, they have disinfectant, big gallons in their hand. They're washing your hands with it and washing your suitcases with that. And here I don't see that.
When I was traveling in Pakistan, they were actually checking your temperature.
Yes, sir. I'm hearing that from every passenger deplaning that it seemed that there were more enhanced screening and precautions in Karachi than here in Toronto.
Yes, I have seen that. Because here, yes, they have handed over these two papers that, stay home and all that, but they don't actually catch the person right from the airport. They don't know who's entering, who's bringing what.
And sir, do you know if anyone externally took your temperature to monitor for signs of fever?
Actually, upon arrival, we landed February 16th, and we had our temperature taken before we even got to...
Oh, here in Toronto or...
in Karachi.
Oh, in Karachi. But not here in Toronto, though.
Oh, no, not in Toronto.
And yet our Prime Minister promised on Monday that as of midnight today, 14 hours ago, these new enhanced screening measures were going to take effect. Why do you think they're just giving out pamphlets?
Honestly, I don't think so. It's enough. How many people are going to read and follow? They should have more precautions here. I'm being serious. I've been in Canada for 30 years, so I'm more loyal to Canada than any other country. I was there for a wedding. They cut down on the wedding. It was from 700 to 50 people only. They're already doing all the precautions over there, and they don't even have that kind of outbreak yet.
Pakistan is a third world country. Less cases than Canada. US and Canada has much more cases. I'm coming from Pakistan. I was there for 2 weeks. You see a lot of precautions, much more measures than a Western world. Canada, we have